How to convert a string to UTF-8 in Python. I have a browser which sends UTF-8 characters to my Python server, but when I retrieve it from the query string, the encoding that Python returns is ASCII. How can I convert the plain string to UTF-8? Note, the string passed from the web is already UTF-8 encoded. I just want to make Python to treat it as UTF-8, not ASCII.
In Python 2. This is the difference between a byte string, plain underscore string, and a Unicode string. Converting to Unicode and specifying the encoding. In Python 3. All strings are Unicode. The Unicode function does not exist anymore. See answer from @Numanan.
If the methods above don't work, you can also tell Python to ignore portions of a string that it can't convert to UTF-8. Might be a bit overkill, but when I work with ASCII and Unicode in same files, repeating decode can be a pain. This is what I use.
Adding the following line to the top of your .py file allows you to encode strings directly in your script, like this.
If you want to support the channel, consider liking and subscribing.